Here we are at the South Hadley launch, and usually you can drive down there, but they got the gate up. You ain't driving down there. So we're gonna take a walk down and see what it looks like. And if you remember, this is the shad fishing spot, and it is flooded. Wow. That water is moving. I'm gonna flip the camera this way. It's no joke out there. There's a sign where the ramp usually is. Let's go over here, see if we can see the bridge. And just remember, Captain does not get his feet wet, see? No wet feet. Now, you can't see much over there. That's all we got. But that is nasty.